Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on and set up Do Not Disturb on your Samsung phone. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So the easiest way to turn this on is to scroll down from the top of your phone. Then if you scroll to the left, you should see Do Not Disturb on there. So you can obviously just click on that to turn it on. And then again click on it to turn it off whenever suits. You can also go into settings. If you scroll down, once you come to notifications, just tap on there. Then you should see Do Not Disturb near the middle, so click on that. And once you're on here, it'll just let you know Do Not Disturb mutes all calls, notifications and other alerts, except for those you choose to allow. So at the top, you can obviously just turn it on and off if you wish to do so. You can also change how long Do Not Disturb is on for. So it'll give you three options until you turn it off. You can add how many hours and up to 15 minutes as well. So you can obviously change that to suit you. And you can also select Ask Every Time. So you just press OK if you're happy with that. You can also set up a schedule. So just simply press Add Schedule on there. Then you can obviously name it if you wish to do so. And then you can just select the days that you want Do Not Disturb to be on, and also set the time. So you can select the start time, and you can select the end time as well. Then just select Done when you're happy, and that Do Not Disturb will be set up for that time and the days you've selected. All you have to do is select Save, and that will be added to one of your schedules. You can obviously just toggle whichever one you want on. You can obviously add multiple ones as well. You can also go down and select what is allowed during Do Not Disturb. So calls and messages. You can select calls, then you can change it to favorite contacts, contacts only, or you can select all. You can also add contacts. You can also turn on repeat callers. So allow calls when they're received from the same phone number more than once within 15 minutes. So you can obviously toggle that on. You can also select app notifications. So you can select maybe a couple of apps that you want to receive notifications from. You can also go on alarm and sounds. So you can obviously just go through these different ones and just toggle on whichever ones you want on, and obviously toggle off whichever ones you don't. And then at the bottom it should have hide notifications. So on here it'll just give you a range of options. So you can select hide all, or you can select hide full screen notifications, whatever suits you. And that's how you can set up Do Not Disturb on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching.